Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Insightly CRM for project-based selling, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Insightly's login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button typically found at the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see fields requesting your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, move to the password field and type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, verify them for accuracy. Click the Login button to access your Insightly account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Insightly dashboard. In case of an error, review your email and password, and try again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You may now navigate to your projects or contacts as needed. To log out when finished, find the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged into Insightly CRM for project-based selling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.